New Toyota Camry continues safety pedigree with a 5-star ANCAP rating. ANCAP Safety, Australasia's independent voice on vehicle safety, has today released a 5-star safety rating for all variants of the new generation Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry demonstrated strong results in crash testing, most notably with a record high score of 95% for adult occupant protection. This score sets the Camry clearly ahead of all other models within this pillar of assessment. Contributing to its strong adult occupant protection score, the Camry achieved maximum points in the side impact, oblique pole, whiplash and far side impact tests, providing occupants with a high level of protection. The Camry also exhibited a lower risk to occupants from oncoming vehicles in the compatibility assessment, with a 0.96-point penalty out of 8.00 in the MPDB test. In the full-width frontal test, the Camry performed well with full points for head and upper leg protection for both the driver and rear passenger. An adequate result was achieved for driver and rear passenger chest protection. For child occupant protection, the Camry achieved a score of 87%. Good levels of head protection were recorded for both child dummies in both the frontal offset and side impact tests, with an adequate level of protection recorded for the neck and chest of the 10-year-old dummy in the frontal offset test. Within the child occupant protection area of assessment, all vehicles tested by ANCAP are assessed for their ability to safely accommodate a range of child restraints available in Australia and New Zealand. The Camry successfully accommodated most child restraints, with the exception of the rearward-facing baby capsule in the rear outboard seating positions, and one of the 4 to 8-year child booster seats in the center rear seating position. Under ANCAP's vulnerable road user protection criteria, the Camry scored 84%. The physical protection provided to pedestrians, if struck by the Camry, was good, with full points recorded for pelvis, femur, knee and tibia protection. The Camry's autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system also showed effective performance in forward test scenarios, including turning and overtaking scenarios, with most collisions were either avoided or mitigated. The AEB system fitted to the Camry has the ability to respond to pedestrians in reverse (AEB backover). However, it is not enabled by default, therefore reversing tests were not conducted and no points were awarded. Within the safety assist area of assessment, the Toyota Camry achieved full points for its lane support system (LSS) function, with good scores recorded in all LSS assessment areas. The Camry is fitted with a camera-based speed assist system with capability for some advanced features, including the ability to recognize curves while using the cruise control system and reduce speed accordingly. The Toyota Camry offers robust protection for both occupants and vulnerable road users, said ANCAP Chief Executive Officer Carla Horweg. This is a popular vehicle, widely used for both private and business purposes, which offers the 5-star safety that drivers and passengers expect, Ms. Horweg said. This 5-star ANCAP safety rating applies to all hybrid variants of the Toyota Camry available for purchase in New Zealand from August 2024 and Australia from September 2024. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.